Hello to my YouTubers. It's me, Cass, who I am back, y'all, with another video. Today, y'all, I will be showing you all how I do my classic baked macaroni and cheese. So I have already boiled my pasta. And pretty much, yeah, I normally do, now I make mine from scratch, but I just do the box, the pack that come with the cheese sauce. So I don't really make my cheese sauce completely from scratch. Sometimes I will, but this time I'm not doing it. I'm gonna use the cheese sauce that came in the pack. It's that thick cheese sauce. I'm gonna use this Velveeta cheese sauce. I'm gonna use evaporated milk. I am going to use 3 eggs. And I have a bag of cheese that I'm going to be using, shredded cheese. I have like 2 bags. So what you want to do after you drain your pasta, after you boil your pasta, you want to drain it. As you can see, I have mine drained. And what I'm going to do instead of messing up a lot of dishes, I'm just going to put my pasta into this pan right here. And I'm just going to mix everything together that I'm going to bake in. So I see a lot of people doing it. I do it. So yeah. So as y'all see, just put everything over. So here's my pasta. So now what you want to do is butter. Oh yeah, and use your butter too as well, y'all. I have my mixing spoon here that I'm going to use. I'm just breaking up my pasta real quick. Now, I don't let my pasta cool. You want to do it when your pasta is still hot. So what I'm going to do real quick is just put my pasta on top of the stove just to get it hot so the butter and cheese can melt just a little bit. But you don't want to get it too hot because you don't want to cook the eggs. You don't want to cook your egg or whatnot. So what I'm going to do, so you pretty much just want to melt the butter. Okay, you guys, I'm just over here melting my butter. I'm just trying to get the pasta just a little bit hot again because I let my pasta got a little too cool. Okay. Okay, so now what you want to do, go ahead and add your cheese sauce. And I like for mine to be real cheesy. Now, when you boil your pasta, you guys, you all can add salt in there while they boil it, or you can add salt afterwards. But I wouldn't recommend to add salt both ways because it's going to be too salty with the cheese. The cheese already have a lot of sodium in it. So be careful on the salt, because once you put salt in, you can't take it out. You have to just really trash everything and start all over again. And we do not want to do that. So as y'all see, I'm just squeezing out the cheese. And I'm opening up my other cheese. And also put the shredded cheese, mix it in with this sauce cheese. And also keep some shredded cheese to the side so you can put it on top to give it that golden brown crust. So we want to add our cheese in. Everyone that is new to my channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell for upcoming videos on challenges, food challenges, mukbangs, recipes that I'll be doing. And not only that, you guys, if y'all can comment down below and let me know some recipe that y'all want me to try out, I'll be more than glad to try them out. So now y'all have my evaporated milk. I'm gonna pour in here. And y'all can use any kind of milk you want to use. I'm actually going to use a little bit of buttermilk. I normally don't use buttermilk, but this might give it a nice little taste. Okay, now we're going to crack our eggs. Now you, with mostly for this side pan, this is not a big pan, this is like a small pan. You really will use 2 eggs. But I want to make sure mine get combined very good. And so basically what I'm going to use is 3 eggs. But for a small pan, just use 2 eggs will be my recommendation. And if you do like a big family side pan of macaroni and cheese, use at least like 3 to 4 eggs for the big side pan. Then if you want to do like a even bigger size, then of course use, you know, maybe 5 eggs or whatnot. So the bigger the pan that you're using, the more eggs I would say to use, so it can combine very well. So now I'm just going to mix all of this together. I don't know if you all can see this, but so I'm just going to mix all of it together. Now you can see why I say the pasta has to be hot so the cheese can really melt real good. So yeah, so I'm just going to mix this all together. Oh, and go ahead and put your shredded cheese into it as well as you're mixing it. Okay, here's my shredded cheese that I'm going to be using. I don't know if y'all can see. And like I said, I like mine to be real, real cheesy, so. And the shredded cheese also help combine it along with the egg. And once you mix everything together, you pop it in the oven for about 30 minutes until it's golden brown. All right, you guys. So I'm about to put this in the oven for about 30 minutes until it's golden brown. And I will be back with you guys with the finished product.